Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love.
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
My name is Ron David. This is my private studio here in Washington, D.C., also in New York, Harlem. And this is all my collection. Bringing the style into many years that I wanted to bring something special to D.C. that was actual fashion. So this is it. Get into it. Union Market.
So, welcome to the official kickoff of the Creator Mixer 2024. So, my name is Brittany Carter. For those who don't know me, I'm the CEO and founder of B-Card Solutions. And at my creative agency, we amplify brands, we tell exclusive stories, and we turn creative moments into cultural movements. And we are now launching at our 10-year anniversary, our new division of influencer marketing. So can we get And so I wanted to do something for Women's History Month. To DC, Miss Erin Maria. Look at the record. Okay, can we turn the music down just a little bit, y'all? Just a tiny bit. I was going through so much when I walked by your store, and I immediately walked in here and just felt release. And you said, sis, I don't know what you're going through, but I'm about to get you some. And I was